April.
And it's a video, and today we're here to show you how to make some cherry turnovers.
And here is all the supplies you will need. Let's get started.
Alright, the first step is going to be taking one of your puff pastry dough and cutting it to a plus sign, making 4 equal parts. Then you'll take the second one and do the same thing. And we went ahead and we're just going to put 4 on the sheet to have room to fill them up. So we're going to take our cherry pie filling and putting some into the middle. You don't want to put too much or too little. So now we're going to go ahead and make our egg wash. We're taking 1 egg and splitting it in the middle and going back and forth with the yolk to let the egg whites go into the bowl. Go ahead and bring your pastries back, and we're going to go ahead and put our egg wash on the 4 sides of the dough. I'm going to put it on all 4 sides. Alright, now we're going to take one side of the dough and put it over to the other side, making a triangle. And then we're going to be pushing that dough into the dough underneath it. And we filled ours a little too much, so some cherry sauce is falling off. But we just clean it up with the spoon. You just want to make sure you're pushing that dough really hard so the 2 pieces of dough are stuck together. And if you have too much filling in there, you can go ahead and just take some off like we did. Alright, we went ahead and did the other 4 off camera, but now we're just going to take that extra egg wash and kind of put it on top of the dough just to help it get a little more golden brown. Alright, we're going to go ahead and put those into the oven. The oven is at 375 and they'll be in there for 20 to 25 minutes. While those are in the oven, we're going to go ahead and make the glaze, and we put 1.5 cup of powdered sugar, 2 tablespoons of milk, and then 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract. We're going to go ahead and whisk that together. We're going to put it in a plastic bag to help the glazing go a little easier. Alright, now that the pastries have been in there for 20-ish minutes, we're going to take them out and get to glazing. We are just going to set ours on a little sheet that allows it to get through, but any sheet will work. Alright, now we're going to cut a corner of the plastic bag with the glaze. And now we're going to start glazing the turnovers. And there is the finished product. You now have cherry turnovers.
I'm going for
Okay. I've been going for a little bite.
No, I'm going all in. That's good. It's still good. It's still good. It's still good. You know, that was actually really easy to make. And really only, the hardest part was just setting everything up.
So there we go. Some cherry turnovers to make.
Make them for your friends, make them for your family. I want to eat more than one.
Thanks for watching.
Bye!